This is a piece of paper, a canvas, an opportunity for creation of anything and everything, a physical manifestation of our thoughts, dreams, and desires. And who would have thought that since its inception over 2,000 years ago, paper can now be digitized? This is an e-ink tablet, a fairly recent technological gadget that has slowly started to gain a large fan base. But why? It's not as smooth as a smartphone, can't play videos like a regular tablet, and horrible for scrolling through social media. Well, that's actually the point. E-ink tablets are distraction-free digital tools to help you optimize your productivity and unleash your creative spirit. So, this brings us to today. Could this specific tablet be the perfect marriage between written ideas and digital dreams? This is the story of how I found the coolest piece of paper. This is the Go 10.3 by a brand called Boox. Despite being fairly new tech, there are already established e-ink brands in the market. Companies like Remarkable and Supernote have produced tablets of high quality, but also at a high price. So when I saw a tablet for almost $200 cheaper, my interest was piqued. I want to note that this video is not sponsored in any form, so all opinions are my own. And with that, let's talk features of the Go 10.3. Right off the bat, I could tell this is a premium product. The build is solid, and what really sells the premium aesthetic is how thin it is. It's only 4.5 millimeters thick and weighs 350 grams. For reference, the latest 11-inch iPad Airs weigh 462 grams. The side is lined with magnets, where the pen can attach and detach with ease. For me, the Boox has nailed the aesthetic spot on. This device is sleek and minimal, and always begging me to hold it. Now, let's move on to arguably the most important part of the tablet, the screen. The e-ink Carta display with 300 ppi resolution places this tablet on the higher end of e-ink displays, but is also gentle on the eyes, creating a stress-free reading and writing experience. The screen also has a subtle roughness to it, much like actual paper. The moment the tip of the pen makes contact with the screen, I can feel the satisfying friction that comes with the joy of writing. And even the writing experience comes with options. There's multiple different utensils that can be chosen, and the smart features such as shape recognition and strike-through erase really help simplify any type of brainstorming that I'm doing while making my notes look clean and organized. When it comes to software, this tablet is host to the Android 12 OS. And to me, this is one of the biggest reasons I got the Boox. I wanted to be able to use apps like Notion with a productivity tablet like the Boox. And with a Bluetooth keyboard, I can script and make updates in my Notion tools with ease. And if there wasn't Android, I also wouldn't be able to download my manga reading apps for those cozy manga reading sessions. And the nice part is, I can have as many long and intense work sessions as I want without worrying about the tablet dying, as it has a battery life of over a week. I think for its price point, the Boox Go accomplishes a lot, but since it is significantly less expensive than some of the other e-ink tablets, what doesn't it do? Unlike some of other Boox's devices, the Go doesn't have expandable storage. Although I only see this becoming an issue for a select few, since the 64 gigs that come with it are a sizable amount. The other feature that this device doesn't have is a front light. Depending on the situation, this can be a good or bad thing. Obviously, this means that reading in the dark is a no-go, but it does mean that the screen is thinner, so there's less distance between the tip of the pen and where the e-ink actually shows up. Finally, the Boox Go is black and white only, so if having color is really high on the priority list, then this device probably won't fulfill your needs. So who would I recommend this device for? I think this device is an amazing all-in-one solution for content creators, students, and office workers who are looking for a distraction-free reading and writing tool that syncs well with external apps without the premium price point. Whether features like front lighting and color are worth an additional $200 is up to your personal use case. So, if you enjoyed this cinematic look at the Boox Go tablet, please give a like and subscribe. And if you're interested in the device, link is in the description. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you all in the next film.